In this video, I'm just going to quickly test out the chime function of this Linden mantle clock. This is a quartz clock, and as we see in the back, I've put some batteries in just for testing purposes, and it's got quite a few. There's one for the main movement, one for the second hand movement, and then two up here for the chime. And so I'm going to be setting this hand control right here, and we'll listen for what happens. So when I move this up to 4 o'clock, and you'll notice that it does not chime at any time other than at the top of the hour. There's no chime of the quarter hour or the half hour or the 3/4 hour, but just when we get back up here to 5 o'clock.